Today we're going to learn how to face mill our part using a face mill. Let's talk about it. We have the part we were going to face mill securely in the vise. This is our face mill we'll be using today. This is used to take off a lot of material on a planar surface at once. After we zero the face mill on the top of the part, we will take the part down to thickness. The final thickness should be 0.38 inches. First, we need to zero the knee. We first check if the knurled nut is tight. Now we can bring the knee up to the nearest zero. After zeroing the knee, we can now zero the digital readout. We first need to ensure the mill is on. Let me re-stress that. When zeroing a face mill, we need to ensure the mill is on. We can then bring the face mill down towards the part and touching off. And after touching off, we'll lock the Z-axis in place and then adjust the Z-axis stop. After screwing the stop in place, we can then zero the digital readout by pressing the Z and absolute set. When face milling, chips tend to fly everywhere. So as you can see, we have two chip shields set up in the back and one in the front of the vise. We use chip shields to prevent chips from leaving your workspace and to make cleanup a lot easier. First, we will do a series of rough passes, and the machinist has specified the maximum to be taken off with this face mill is 50 thousandths. Again, all Z adjustments will be done with the knee, so I'll raise the knee 50 thousandths. Note, we will start cutting from off the part and manually be moving the part. After a series of passes, you will then measure to find out how much additional material needs to be removed to achieve your desired dimension. Now we've taken our rough passes. We'll measure to see how much we need to take off for our final dimension. Seems to be about 20 thousandths. So we'll take two finishing passes of 10 thousandths each.